Brad Williams, Frugal Finance Doors. Selecting new exterior doors. Exterior doors are a common source of air leakage and heat transfer. Older doors may lack insulation or sealing, allowing unwanted air movement and energy loss. Installing weather stripping can help, but in some cases, replacing the door may be more effective. Choosing new exterior doors. Wood doors are popular for appearance, but steel and fiberglass doors usually insulate better. They often have better construction and tighter sealing, which can reduce heating and cooling bills. When choosing a door, consider your climate. Look for the Energy Star label. It shows the door meets energy efficiency standards for your region. Also check the NFRC label. It includes two important values: solar heat gain coefficient, or SHGC. This shows how well the door resists heat from sunlight. Lower is better in warm climates. Higher is better in cooler ones. The U factor, this measures heat loss. Lower values mean better insulation. Types of exterior doors. One efficient option is a steel door with foam insulation core. These may have magnetic weather stripping like a refrigerator door if installed properly. They usually don't need extra sealing. Steel or fiberglass doors without glass typically have R values between R5 and R6. That's much higher than solid wood doors. R value refers to resistance to heat flow. Higher means better insulation. Glass doors. Glass doors, like patio or sliding doors, lose more heat. But models with multiple panes, low E coatings, or gas between panes can perform better. Swing doors usually seal better than sliding ones. Fixed panel doors leak less air than doors with two operable panels. Sliding doors are harder to seal, and the weather stripping wears out over time. Some models allow worn parts to be replaced. Installation tips. Most new exterior doors are pre-hung. They come with their own frame. To install one, remove the old frame and check that the opening is square. If it's uneven, the door may not seal properly. Before attaching interior trim, use expanding foam sealant around the frame to fill gaps. Use caution. Too much flow and pressure can warp wood frames. Use caution. Pre-hung doors usually include weather stripping, but check the seals and replace them if needed. Using storm doors. A storm door can help if your main door is older but still usable. For newer, well-insulated doors, a storm door adds a little benefit. Storm doors are made from aluminum. Storm doors are made from aluminum, steel, fiberglass, or wood. Metal models can have foam in the frame for added strength and insulation. Storm door features: low E glass, built-in screens that slide or store, panels that switch between glass and screen. These features can improve convenience and save energy, but may raise the price. One caution, glass storm doors can trap heat against the main door if exposed to direct sunlight. One caution, glass storm doors can trap heat against the main door if exposed to direct sunlight. Low E glass helps reduce the risk. Manufacturers may also offer guidance. Storm doors for sliding patio doors are harder to find. For energy efficiency patio doors, a storm door might not be cost effective. Instead, try insulated window coverings like cellular shades, especially in the night and winter or during hot afternoons in summer. If you have any expertise in the area of selecting new doors or installing new doors, comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.